Yo, Wagwan people, wanna deal it, everybody good? Everybody good? No sure? Tapping nice my thought, man. Well, your boy is back with another episode of Real Life Mods. I know so I enjoyed the last episode, so I just want the next one. So here what me do. Me drop that one there and then me just record that one there. So I'm gonna get the shout out as usual. So in the next one I'm gonna get shout out because the comment them not really start coming yet. So yeah. So big up everybody who they are watch. Big up everybody who just forward. You understand? Yeah, big up everybody. So hear me I say before I do anything else, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, just subscribe to me, please. Like get it to 10,000. When we reach at 10,000, I go give it some merch. I go give away, I go send it out to you. So I go give it some t-shirt and thing with Jwg Nation. Know yourself and them something on it. You understand? Just me telling you thanks. Just 10k. It's not even 20k. So yeah, I just want to do that for you. You understand? So yeah, just support the channel by pressing like on the video and subscribing if you don't do that already. So before we do anything else, make sure you go over my Instagram page, link them on the screen now. See there? Yeah, see there. So make sure you follow that page for me people. We go live over here more time and we go on with a bag of things. So yeah, it a go on good still, but you don't know. Just want everybody to be a family and just everybody get on. You understand? Yeah, we have some nice joke over here and things. So big up everybody. So let's go into the video now and start this thing here. So today, me and my big bad, oh, my car lock no? Big bad nothing, car lock. What? Bossy. You're there. Hold on, make it again. Here. Oh, it's not already. No man, I want to start it again, cause it's bad. Lock it. Alright, it's supposed to lock up by itself. Alright, see it lock off now. Open. So nice. Listen to the sound. Whoa. Alright. So we have a target for assassinate over here. So that episode of today, me decide to that episode of today. Don't allow me go. I'm on your bag. I'm not money figure. That episode of today, maybe this I do a little of everything. You see me? We need gas. Yeah, me got the gas station first. Go buy some gas. We're gonna get some gas. Full up. Full me up there. Come on, man. Me have to beep twice. Oh, I'm Tono. What I do? They on the phone. What I do? Come on for Instagram, man. I'm Tono. No, myself. Yeah, me have all of my gun them. Yep, so that's good. So let's go and assassinate the target. Yeah. Also, at the moment, we don't have any active warrants, so who knows? I might get one. Where's the target there? You got the target? Jeez, I don't want to kill you. Silence. Are you? I know you. Oh, that person there. Okay, come here. Let them some assassinate you. Hold that. They might shoot him. Hey boy. Move your love phone too much. Anybody else want to use them phone? No? Oh, no cut then man. Oh, I'm too no. Love phone too much. Police. Not phone time right now. Just know that. You hear that? You want it now. So I'm going to escape them police and go do some tow truck work. To them people, man. They can't just make me just go and live. 2 stars after me. Through the middle. Oh, okay. Alright. Stuff happens. Nothing we can do about that one day. I try to go through the middle. Change my car color. Silver. Nice little silver one. If you not enjoy them mod video, make me know people. Because me love them. Honestly, me love them. There's so much things we can do with these mods. And Me I get the hang of the buttons them finally. Them a work out, so. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on the police. Hold on the police. Hold on. Me done for a minute. How that? You want a hand? Oh, I want a statue. I want a statue. Okay. I want a statue. Hold on there, man. I want a different color here now, man. Which color am I taking? I like that color, yeah. I like that color, yeah. I escape, but I have an active warrant same way after me, so. What else we can go do? What else we can go? What is this? What is this? Heist. A heist setup. Yeah, I'm gonna do a heist setup. Why not? Do a heist setup, get some money in my clothes. I have so much things that I can do. I just install a whole heap of things, people. You understand? Yes, I'm on board. I have so much missions and so much things to do. There who goes. Who am I talk to? Hold on there, man. I want to say other person about there he goes. Who said that? Yeah, the man is look for somebody. We are beat for. Man, let me carry no boy. Man, let me big body bends, you know. Know yourself. Yep. Alright. I could go do some eye setup because, like me say, there's so much things we can do. One day, me warrant I got expire for. Them wicked to me though. Police them really want to mash me up, but I not give them a chance. I give them no chance to take my life. I have an active warrant, so I just go and do my thing. Come figure out. Up us up? No, don't answer. Don't answer. People, look on the graphics on the game. Look on the graphics, like look on the graphics. Tell me if the graphics are not real, like realistic graphics, yo. Watch out now. Rain and falling now, people. Show them inside of my car. Cause I just love. Yo, watch out. Watch out. Yo, this is the maddest game, dog. I swear. This is the maddest game. Rain and falling now, but you don't know. Still out here. Go around and go see what going on. Road wet, you know. If you know you're driving and you're crashing, you know. Taxi driver, you just pull out for me, sir. You fool or what? You look or what? You got school or what? You mule or what? Hold out. You have an active warrant, man. Be careful, you know. You're in a beat, you know. You're in a beat, man. Alright. What me carry, sir? Lock it. Alright, let's go do some missions. Yeah? Go to the mansion. Which mansion that? The mansion there. Okay, cool. So ready, let's go. Let's go to the mansion, people. Yo, the graphics just look different from the game. Like even though it's like stop beep no man, I'm going man. And wait no man. Even alright, look on the road now, people. It's like rain just don't fall, but look here. Water water puddle them still there. Yo, that game is sick, that. You're serious. Like there's so much I can do on that game, man. Just go and do some little jobs and thing, you know? Keep the thing going, you know? Yeah. I can also do tow truck. I installed the tow truck earlier on when I made up on Instagram live to somehow know yourself already. The regular Instagram livers. Big up on yourself. Know yourself. I don't have to call on the name. You understand? Big up my brother Oxseed. Don't know. Big up my friend Tropics. Don't know. Big up my friend Ninja. Don't know. Crew. Yo. This does look crazy, dog. Whoa! When tips me for? When tips me for the while ago, sir? Like, bad man I kill him. Bad man is killing him. Softly. Nobody know you 20 bucks, but you owe me 20 bucks. You don't want the money in your clothes. Go from here, sir. Yeah, I have an active warrant and I can't see the police on the road, which is good. And I like more to see them, because I don't like them. I'm about to talk too soon, because you might see one. I'm a wicked boy, yeah. I'm try to take my life. And say me try to escape in nearby bushes, when that is a lie. No go so. Oh, the mansion. Where the mansion there? Which one of them I mansion? What, everything I mansion, you know? Are this? And then, sir. Next one then. This one then. Open up then. Yep. This one. I'm not hit you. Look how far there from me. Go one side. Still. Oh, gosh. So that means I have to leave my car out there then. Alright, cool. Open up, no man. Leave my car out there, sir. Look when I'm driving the people. Load. So here I go. I'm going to park my car and lock it. Nobody can go in there. Because I don't know where I have to thief. Lock it. Alright. Go to them people at the house. And then where I have to thief, so I'm going to go in there. See the issy. What is the issy? Are they look at me here? This? Oh yeah. It's gonna be this store because obviously Italian job. Let's go. If we bring it go somewhere. How far if we bring it go? 2 miles away from us. Alright, cool. Man, we are doing now, we are coming over here so like you want to come touch man. So hey boy, know yourself. Know yourself. Remember to share the video, remember to share the channel to your friend them and your family them. If you're in a group chat, put them in the group chat, them make the people them see them. Cause like me say, one time reach 10k subs. Ooh! Sure, so look at me nice man. Or I reach 10k sub, I go give her some merch. I try to get some hats to get together as well. To give away. So just go and share it until we reach 10. Which not gonna be long, probably next couple of months we reach 10 still. You know? Yeah, I have to really appreciate it. All I know over here. Can't stop appreciating, you know. This is one of the only channel where you don't see too much bad comments or no whole heap of dislikes. So I have to really appreciate, you know. You see me? Alright, park up. Where road I go? On grass today. Drive on grass. I want to grass. For the people who ask for Bounty Killer video, I have to go find one character when look a bit like Bounty Killer so I can dress him like Bounty Killer and do Bounty Killer video. We can just do Bounty Killer video with anybody. I'm not play on PlayStation anymore. I play on PC now for those who are asking. Where am I character? Yes sir. Oh okay, which part? And yes sir? I don't run sir. I can't run sir. Really? I don't run sir. I run front. Oh, you know see that this is my youth? Man just big and full from them I go to school. Never break a fine, never break a rule. Stitching at the class, everybody eat. No, man a snitch. Oh, lick him. Yeah man, lick him. Yeah man, watch out. Yeah, me follow this and see what go on, people. Excitement. Yeah, try pull over truck with that little car there. I'm telling you that police are exciting people. Excitement. Let me see how the police are really gonna pull him over. Hold on, man. We might try pull over the truck. Are they? Watch out. Police are really looking, you know. Run off, left him now. Gunshot. What? Watch out. Oh, this a lit me. Watch out. Gunshot. No, never do nothing. No, what you mean LSPD? I never do nothing. I look pound I get killed. Oh yeah, come. Yo, I'm to them police, dog. Them police I don't see that. Yo, them police are fooling the dog. Yeah, I'm going back at the building and hide them, brother. Quick. Go on there. Hide them run so dog, cause me never do them nothing. Me just look on them and get mash up. Go pass. Yeah man, go pass. Yo. My boy get him enough shot, you know? Where? If I lose police now? No sign. No sign. Them say no sign. Uh-oh. Two start the macaron or something, man. Oh, no. Oh. Go here, sir. No, I'm do. You see? This is what happen when you're fasting at people's business. So, this is how it happen. Oh, what is me come over here? Come do now. Come get myself stuck up in here, so now? Oh, God, man. Flat tire and all that. My lip me where you say no, idiot. Know yourself, man. Watch it. You're going to lose them police, because all me I try though, I just look what I go on and look how them I go handle the situation to see if my taxpayer money I spend in the right order. And the man them turn for me and want to kill me. They do nothing in a life too, no? Oh, John Star. John Star. I just bad luck it. Yeah, I have no luck. When it comes to them police, I have no luck. Them just don't like me. And plus, me have an active warrant out. Yo, change my car color quick. When I come from long, so oh God, go pesa. Go on. Yo, the car can't come in the dog. Oh, go down, sir. Alright, go on, sir now. Yo, this a car can't corner. Look, the people, all me have to do, I just go mind my own business and carry the car which part it needs to go. See me getting in trouble with police, you know. You escape, but you're not safe. Alright. Yeah, I can keep my car color white because the fool them never see me car color. Alright, I'm gonna go back down there and I'll go try to do what I was rightfully doing before them police rudely interrupt my mission. Out of order. You see that? No break. I carry on a break, man. And people, alright, this is a fact. In a real life, you see which part this car make, the Mini, me live board, me can stay in my house and see it. No, not in my house. Me can stay in my grandmother's house and see the factory. And me live like 2 minutes away from my grandmother, honestly. And next known fact, I used to work in another car company. I used to work in there. So my job was to check the car when the car them finished, to check them for damages. So any damage, any defects, anything, that was my job. So I was a quality inspector in another factory there, and I used to drive them as well. I used to do test drive on them as well in a real life. So yeah, the mini factory like 2 minutes away from my house. Like, I used to jump on my bicycle and ride to work when the weather nice. You see me? But yeah. Okay, that's what I'm bringing it. Okay. Finally, you know what, mom? Hey. Alright, get the next job quick and fast. That is just my little fact about that car company there. Yeah, honestly. What the fun there? So, we have a next eye set up for though. I think this is the Italian job, you know. We are going to suffer. Like, man, you try to do the thing like me saying in one past video. Maybe know say one party I keep running this and it's free for going and I still go jump the fence. I saw me make my life difficult more time. Like, stay up on the road and just wait back at the truck, dog. We are trying to go up on the curb for dog. Just relax now, man. So, you know, my car get shot. Repair my car, man. Give it in a black now. No. Like it in a white. Like it in a white. Right, better. Yeah, dog. One free party we are keep running this and we jump the fence and go in, even though the party free. I saw me stay. You're on the wrong side of the road, brother, no? How my gas look? Oh, should I buy some gas or so? No, I buy some gas or so quickly. I have to remember to get gas all the way in the cars. Oh, you call look, man. Know your size? Big on you, boy. Alright, let's go. Stretch out the Benz belly now. Big bad Benz. Stretch out the belly. Stretch it out. Chechiot. Oh, me have fall after enemy. Enemy sorry not act. Me have active warrant, but me never see the police no while ago. Well, if them see me then, them not see me now, cause me gun. What me do me? Gun. Yeah. People look on the graphics, yo. Like, yo, my install a graphics, but and the graphics just look different, like proper different. Love it. Me love it. Me love it. If you not enjoy them episode, don't forget to like the video. You understand? Yeah. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So Jwg Nation is here. Come and join the crew. Come and join the gang. Come and join the family. You don't know say we are family, you know, so you don't know. You understand? Yeah. What me have to do now? I do 107 miles per hour, 108. That car not really too fast still. But it just look nice. Look, it just look nice, you know? I like it. Going on first person mode. It just look nice, I like it. Get that? Just look nice, me just, you know? Yeah, I kinda like it, man. 113 down the hill. No. Oh, yo, why are you catching that, man? Alright, come out of first person. Yeah. What's your style, yeah? Somebody say party later. Jump on the ring. Hey, I'm a nasty nigga. Clean and out. Me feel so good. Feel so good. What's your style, yeah? The music now play and me a dance. Yeah. But I would think I live in no real people close there. I would think I live in a book in them nose there. I would think I live in a sleep out the road there. And up there. I would think I live in a favor bigger fort there. I would think I live in a I would think I live in a tough flight board there. And all of the girls when sleep in a bush and come back in a dance and go like them stush. In the ear with no hand for push. Yo, here. Which am I for this? Oh, am I for this? Stop. Here now.
Man, you a genetic experiment gone wrong, dog.
Oh, police. I want me shooting the next one there.
You punk ass bitches done now.
Done, you're done. Lock my car. I have all time for lock my car. Lock my car and get into this. Come. Get into this. Come out. No, sir. Lock off siren. A damn thing I have to do just forget the Italian job. Uh-oh. Off-road. Helicopter. Yo, how them police are drive up and down with van out of gas? Watch out. Fix the carrier first before we do anything else. Hold on, man. Yo, I can't be this with them police are drive up and down with van out of gas. You know what I'm telling police are still, you know? Oh God, look at my Stoney, look up in our name Stoney. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I've been doing the man look up in our, yeah, Stoney. Yo, you must have been rolling stones. Jaja. I will pull over and reach where I go. Me need all gas. Me not get far now this something here, man. Police are wicked to lose the heat. I'm not gonna lose the heat. Reverse after. Don't get stuck, my youth. Yo, don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Alright, cool. Nearly get stuck, you know? Nearly get stuck. Go back over here, sir. Repair this, man. I try to lose the heat, brother. Now just wait for me, man. Because I don't know how to fix. Oh, that's in the road a while ago. Watch it, man. Come on, here. I'm bigger than you. Have manners. I'm bigger than you. Have manners. I'm bigger than you. Know yourself. What am I saying for though? Know yourself. Have manners. Bigger than you. Hold on, yourself. What piss you off? Wait a minute, but you're pissing me off. You brighty. What do you want to piss you off? Your wife here that piss you off, brother. Cause she and the milkman there, and she tell me not to tell you.
I'm sorry. It's that funny, right? I mean, what?
Go away yourself. Eh, suspect being spotted. Unspot me now. Watch it out. Change the police guy. Oh, wait. Oh, God.
Hey, keep moving.
Yeah, keep moving, man. Nothing there's a fool, nothing, man. Keep moving, keep moving. Oh, that truck, they crashed. Oh, that van, they crashed a while ago for what? Why them crash for a while ago? People, if you not enjoy them episode, yeah, I want to rate what I do. Because, like I said, me one of the only, me are the first Jamaican where me know up on YouTube for do this at this level. So, if you not rate the thing, I want to support the thing, just support me by subscribing and sharing it for me, please. You hear that? Big up everybody who are trying to do them things same way. You see me? Big up every gamer channel. Or just need to open a thing and do it properly, you see me? Do it right. Do it right or don't do it at all. You see me? Yo, big man thing. How am I gonna lose them police at this street in this? Big purple car me I drive. Look, my friend. I can't lose police in them car, man. Yeah, man, big up every YouTuber where I try to do them thing. No matter if you do gaming, no matter where you do, big up yourself. Move the man. No matter what you do, believe in yourself, believe in what you do, believe in your craft, and keep doing it. Don't make nobody tell you you can't do it. You hear that? Because, remember, your dream and my dream is two different dreams. You hear that? So always believe in anything what you do. That's all I want. That is my little positive message to anybody who try to do them thing. It now go forward in the first week or the first month or probably not the first year, but once I believe in what you do and you put out good thing, it'll go forward. Not everybody's as lucky as me to get so much subs in the space of 3 months. You understand? So big up on yourself and big up all of the man who give me the strength as well. Big up on yourself, dog. Gonna know on yourself, you see me? Yeah, dog. Big up on yourself. I really appreciate the love. Whoa! Oh, police, watch it. I'm gonna lick you off of this. Watch it. I'm gonna go over the ramp. Thank you. Watch that. Watch that, yo. Low. Over there. Two-wheeler. 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 Oh, I need gas. They at about two-wheeler and I see gas I can run out. Yeah, man, I need gas now. I at about two-wheeler and I see some gas I run out. What a calamity. Gas me gas step on E. Gas step on E, brother. The police are still up on my tail, man. Alright, I lose them. Quick. Quick, just give me a little gas. Just give me a little gas. Anything. Give me something. Alright, thanks. Whoa! That frightened me. Yo, that frightened me. That frightened me a while ago. We can't go through that. Shame. Mer. If I was you, I'd bag my face. Oh, what me do? Me's a disaster waiting to happen, you know. Did you know that? What the what? Now try to get it from police. Mind your own business when I kill you. You see it? It's something I like to do now. I don't love people business too much. If you didn't mind your own business, you're out dead. You chat too much though. Move from myself. Up on the chain line, man. Make a chain come kill you. Tie down now. Tie down now. What that chop?
Now get out the way.
A police drive that chop there? Come on, lose them. Oh God, me can't lose them police here. Yo, the car is big and slow, so dog. Head on. Know yourself. Watch it. Stay down now. Drop what? Let me drop you. Big and full like. Alright, here are people. Let me fix the car and go down in a tunnel. I need to go down in a tunnel and go lose the police fast. No, but if me go down there, I don't want. No, stay me there, man. Stay up there, sir. Just need to watch him up and lose them. Go around. Alright, me do good. Me doing good. Me doing okay. Oh, no. Please don't see me. Oh, them see me. Them all see me. Oh, man. Why? Can't get no little lucky break to get one from them police, man. From when I'm about to lose the heat, right now I'm burn up. Can't lose the heat, I'm burn up. Alright, them not see me. Go in there. Oh, God. Oh, man. Move on, go. No self, I'm going. People, where I go? I'm not good, man. I'm not try killing them, man. I'm not good, man. Yo, this a joke, brother. This a joke. Like, I can't lose them police are like 3 stars and I can't lose them. Alright, go when I saw. Ice cream truck, tap. Oh! Yo, that's a helicopter, yeah? I have to blow it up. If I want to get any luck, I have to blow up the helicopter. Oh, but if I come out, I probably got dead. Because I'm on an health. That's not rich. I'm going to do a tow truck thing, you know. Because I just feel a mission there.
Sorry, fool.
So I'm going to do a tow truck thing, you know. Police have forgotten about you. Well, they're not choice but then forget about me. I'm going to do a tow truck mission. What do you say? Tow truck work? What go on, Daddy? What you say?
What it do?
What it do where?
Sometimes I think I'm like a living, breathing stereotype.
What you mean?
Whatever, you real cool.
What you mean? You good? You scream to that girl. Hey, boy. Yeah, no, not sorry. Wrong person.
Jesus Christ!
Wrong person. I'm sorry. Wrong person. I never meant to lick you. Never meant to do that. Wrong person. You're not here. Miss a wrong person. You still a forward. Move from us, sir. Lock my car. And boy, I can't take it away. No self. Miss a wrong person. And you still try to do something where you enough to do. You enough to do that, brother. Alright, got repo some of the car now. Repo truck look away, man. Repo truck all though. Alright, go report some of the truck quickly. Report some of the car quickly and see what I go on. Remember, say enough job I can do now. Like I said, the episode I go. Just this episode, you know? Just put out an episode. Just. I don't have a plan for another episode. I'm just do it. So, just go and enjoy it with me. Come and enjoy it. Go on, sir. Let me know what you think about the face cam thing where me have as well now, because I start the face cam thing. Oh, this is going to be a problem, you know? Oh no, there shouldn't be. It should be alright. Which camera I go for? Okay, alright, cool. Oh, you brought down, okay. Forward, my brother, forward. I'll come save you, know what you said. Hook up. Bring it up. Bring it up now. Oh, there you go.
Man, I can only help so much. There's a time when I gotta stick back and let them cope with the few brain cells they blessed with.
Ain't that cool?
Sorry, see, I carry right down still. You look a wagon. You look maybe now I cannot carry this, but the Cadillac. So I say brought down here, my G. Oh, oh,
Whoa!
huh? I'm on fire! Uh-oh. Do I have an fire extinguisher? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't have no fire extinguisher. I'm gonna take it up on my truck, make it go blow up my truck too. Let me see what I do first. I'm sorry. Never meant to do that. Nah, blow up. Let me take it up, see, man. Nah, blow up. Wow. Like, that carry have some serious problem, dog. Like, some serious issue. If on the wrong side of the road, the police, they're gonna stop me, you know? Why am I do that? Why am I do it? You can't just abide by the rules for 1 minute. It's like me as a record man come take up the man car and me damage it more than all the car did damage in the first place. You see your life, man? Who you stood down? Not again! What am I gonna do now? Bro, yo, me soon forward. Just stay as me soon forward, dog. Yo, that no dog. Yo, good night. Can good night? Oh God. In truck I got people that episode that go as planned. Me fail one mission. Yo, look it over, dog. Look it over. It even turn over anyway. Look it over. Reverse back on it again. Yeah. Oh no.
I am I would like you really to go home and practice.
Yo, that episode now go as planned, people. Yo, God, I never made me do all of this. Oh. There you go. Nothing in your business. You chat. Where you there? Go on where you go, man. Go on where you go. Yeah, man. Go on where you go, man. You're too... Can you get up press up? Hook it up like this. No, can't hook it up like this. Alright. Yo, Janua. Yo, look how much at the man car. Look how much. Alright. Forward. Let's go. Alright, what we need to do, I'll take my time and start mash up the man car. Lower right there now. I guess it's too low for the truck. Yo, I'm the worst tow truck driver in the history. Wait, no, man, you still a drive down and you see me try to do a thing. Just still relax, man. Relax, man. Yo, I have 0.10 miles left to go. Me can make it go around there? I run some Africa, see the yellow marker there. Watch out, mini yellow crash. Just a minute. Yo, that's not cool, dog. Mash up your car, dog. Rest it off, man. People. Yo, I'm sorry now. We don't want me to crush you. Yo, we don't want me to crush you. This or that. Yo, I can't turn up this and see me as I do my thing, brother. Police are come after me? No, sir. Me good. Me good, you know. Yeah, man. Me kind of good, man. Left us so quick and fast. I'm not taking more police chase right now. I can't get it. Not in another episode. Probably one next one. Tow truck job about that. Yo, I feel everything. This is the worst episode ever. Not very progressive. I never do nothing. Police are doing so, and I 1 star after me. Police are not know themselves and go one side with them foolishness, man. Oh, them no bombs also. They're going in a tunnel. I'm going in a tunnel still, but... Alright, people, my drive go back around on my auntie yard. God, I live in my yard that again. I want to see my big house already, so I just left a look one to my auntie. So I drive go around there. So I have an active warrant. So let's recap on this episode. I have an active warrant, what I never have before. I attempt to do heist set up. I do one of them, fail the next one because police kill me. Me attempt to do fail. Me attempt to do tow truck. I mash up the man car and I'm abandon the thing I'm supposed to do.
Man, I'm sorry.
What kind of visual you have? No, I'm not crazy. Somebody just said them have visual. I know what them talk about. Maybe I never meet them talk about then, sorry. But I buy some gas before I go around on my yard. So gas me up. So yeah. Try to do the heist, it never work out. Try to I tried to do the tow truck, it never work out. Everything in that episode they have failed. Yo. Nothing never go as planned. Nothing went as planned. You don't see me forward? Where you cross the road so far? You a junkie? What you just say? After you cross the road, you give me tough chat? Hey boy, you get tough chat. Oh, I did right outside of my gate. Oh god. Let's go ahead, my big body Benz. Don't do that, brother. I know you. I know your auntie. And your sister crackhead, remember that. So don't call me that. Because I can tell you things of at you. Don't do that. You never see me disrespect you yet. So don't call me that word there. You know, say I'm not that. Bright, you're bright.
Oh, shit!
Dog, where you want to run your saddle?
Oh, my God.
What happened? Where you want to run your saddle? Sure. Then police need to go on them going now. I can go back at my yard, you know. Don't try to overtake me, man. I'm licking your face with me. Oh, boy, know yourself, man. I'll go one side. Alright, so people, not never go as planned, as you can see. Nothing constructive. Nothing constructive. But if you enjoyed the episode, same way, please leave a like for the video. Please comment around here and let me know what you think about it. About the graphics as well. The graphics change. If you notice it, let me know in the comment section. And see the Instagram page up on the screen again. Please make sure you go over here, so go follow. Click the link in the description. Take you over there. Just hit the follow button. You know, you can interact with me over there, so you can talk to me over there. So make sure your comments are constructive. Though. Make sure your messages are constructive. Because if I just say, hey, why pray or them something there, I don't have time for that. You see me? Big up on yourself, see me still. But yeah. So until next time, guys, I will see you in the next episode. And look what's gonna shout out in the next episode. You see me? Alright. Peace.